Hey traders, this video is a walkthrough of a 10-point trade on the ES I took last night. I was up all night trading. It's intended for traders who have the tools, tension, decay, McClellan momentum, who are looking for an example overnight trade to learn from. It's also intended for traders who are just looking for information or are curious about index equity momentum trading. See if it's right for your style of trading. I just screen captured it, so I'm going to real quickly just scroll through the video, talk about why I got in, how the trade went, and how I got out of the trade. Let's take a look at the charts. Now this is the screen capture. It's right before I filled the trade. And before we get into that, I want to point out the BaconTrading.com web page. This is tension. So you just come onto the page, indicators, tension. This is a document I wrote to help describe to everybody how tension works, so you can understand what I mean with the terms that I'm using. It's free, read through there. It'll help you understand how to use these tools. The other one page that I think that you should go over and check out is the closing reads. I put all the closing read videos here in one place so you can read, watch them all. But December 4th, 2018, this is the video that prefaced the trade from last night that I took. So that's one to go check out so that you can see the closing read before the trade. Now this is the video. So I'm gonna push play, and the reason that I got into the trade was the closing read before this overnight trading session had positive tension, lots of it. We were in a ranging mindset with positive tension. That means the market's going to want to move in the direction of tension. The ranging mindset suggests price just wants to move in the direction tension is pulling until we establish a trend. So with positive tension, I was expecting price to get pulled up. That means I'm looking for a fade, like a breakout retest or something like that. Something at the lows that I can get into. So that was my expectation going into the trade overnight. Now you can see here, let me just write on this really fast. This right here, do you see this? Now this is a bid-ask delta footprint chart. So it's just showing you the difference between the bid and the ask. And when there's a lot, of buying here, it just sort of shows green. And when I saw that, it was encouraging. The other thing that was important to me, you could see that price was near its low. This is also the ES. So we had a 30-point range about, and getting in here, you could see was about 4 points of risk. So 4 points in a 30-point range. When I had reduced my risk, I saw a little buying. Most important is I was expecting this trade. This is what I wanted to see, was a buy at the lows, and tension would help pull the market up and pull money into my trade. So the trade filled, and let me just fast forward through the development. And I have to say that one of the features of the overnight trading session was frustration. It constantly was folding over on itself, had a hard time sustaining any breakouts, just sort of a frustrating night. Not that I'm frustrated, but that was a feature of the overnight trading session. So see right here, it came back and then got away. And then it moved up, got very close to my trade before filling the take profit, and I'll just let that play. So my objective in taking this trade was to find a trade I was expecting, not to find a trade that showed up. I was expecting a trade near the lows with reduced risk that I would get into. That's what I was looking for because of the positive tension. So when I saw it show up and I saw the buying, I took that as the trade that I was expecting showing up. You need to have expectations that match reality. If you can't expect reality, you can't say, I expect this to happen, and it constantly actually be able to happen, your trading strategy is not sustainable. I haven't ever seen a trader who is just reactive to the markets, where the trades show up and they just react, that sustained. Good traders are able to say, this is what's coming. And it doesn't have to be much, a couple hours, an hour, 15 minutes. But you need to be able to expect a trade, see it show up, develop, and then take that trade. That's the way you sustain long-term profits day in and day out for years. So that was the trade. This was a positive tension fade overnight. It's a pretty good trade. I like these trades when tension gets pretty strong, anything like 50 or more, 70, yes, please. I stay up all night for that stuff. So I hope that was helpful in describing how I use the trade, and good luck trading.